So now the coursework. The first one, homework assignments. We will have 2 homework assignments, each one 12%. So the total 24%. Yeah. So here you can see only 2 homework assignments, but we have other assignments, different types. The homework assignments here means relatively large assignment. Yeah. So then we have small assignments. So that's the quizzes. Yeah. Small, relatively small, okay, assignments. Yeah. How large is each homework assignment? Yeah. There are 25 questions. With each question 4 points. So total 100 points. Okay, yeah. For the quizzes, each one 10 questions. Also 4 points each, and a total 40 points. Okay, yeah. And the duration of homework assignment, I give you approximately 10 days. Each assignment, you have 10 days to complete it. Yeah. And the duration for the quiz, each one 1 week. Yeah. So mainly, when you work on each quiz, so you need to study our notes. Yeah. So all the questions come from the notes. So I want to use the quiz questions to check your familiarity, basic understanding of the materials in the notes. Okay? All right. Yeah. So then for the homework assignments, each assignment is used to prepare for a test. So homework assignment number 1, targeting midterm. And homework assignment number 2, targeting final exam. Okay, yeah. All right. And for the quizzes, each quiz targeting one of the modules. So we have 5 modules, 5 quizzes, but at the same time, we also need to, yeah, so here I will do it in a different way. I try to combine the quiz assignments and homework assignments and the tests in a special way. So I will explain the details later. Yeah. All right. So here, regarding the question types, yeah. So for the 25 homework questions, basically I will give you 4 different types of questions. Yeah. So the first type, multiple choice question. The second type, true or false question. The third type, question short answers. Okay. Then the fourth type, full solutions. That means when you solve some relatively hard problems, you need to provide all the solution details. Okay? Yeah. How to solve it step by step. Yeah. So full solutions. So usually I do not give you too many such questions. So usually the number of full solution questions, 2 or 3. Okay? So not too many. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So that's the homework assignment. Yeah. So then for the quizzes, yeah, here you can see, although you will have total 6 quizzes, but I allow you to drop the 2 lowest scores. And I will use your highest 4 quiz scores to calculate the final average, 16%. Yeah. And but there is another thing, because this is a short semester. We only have total 8 weeks, including everything. Yeah. So the final week, midterm test, review, so everything included in 8 weeks. Yeah. So here you can see it's not easy to do 6 quizzes, because on average, 1 quiz per week. Yeah. For 1 module, but even in that way, still pretty hard to arrange 6 quizzes in the whole semester. Yeah. So for that consideration, I like to combine 2 assignments. Try to reduce the amount of work, but still we have plenty of the data. Plenty of the data to calculate your final grade. Yeah. So here I just give you an example. Yeah. For example, this week, after this week, we can have our first quiz for Module 1. So we will finish most part of Module 1, so we can start working on quiz number 1. Yeah. So then next week, quiz number 2, then quiz number 3. Yeah, so 1 quiz for 1 week. Yeah. All right, so then we need to prepare for the midterm. So here for the midterm, I want to split into 2 parts. Yeah. So here for the midterm test, I split 2 parts. Part A and part B. Part A, 10 questions. Part B, 15 questions. So total, 25 questions. But part A, 10 questions, I will give you online, in an online way. So actually I make it the same as quiz number 4. Quiz number 4. Okay? Yeah. All right. So here, the quiz, so let me explain the quiz questions. The 10 quiz questions here, I use the question type. These 3 question types. But there is no type number 4, solution types. Yeah. Because for the quiz questions, I will use the Canvas quiz tool, yeah, to run the quizzes. Canvas, quiz 2. Yeah. Some of you may use it before. Yeah. So I need to set up 10 quiz questions, and I also need to enter the answers. So then we use the Canvas quiz tool to do the auto grading. Yeah. Using my input answers to do the auto grading. You can see for the solution type of answers, the quiz tool cannot do the auto grading. Okay, it must be graded by human, because solution you need to type a lot of words. So how can the Canvas auto grading tool can assign appropriate points? Yeah, so it's very hard. Yeah, so the 10 questions, you do not need to worry about the solution type questions. Yeah. So that's the first 10 questions. Yeah. So I make these two parts the same. Yeah. So that means the same set of questions I counted twice. Once for quiz number 4, then the same assignment, I also use it to calculate your midterm grade. Yeah. So then the second part, 15 questions. So the 15 questions then, basically computation questions. Yeah. So these 15 questions are of the type, the computation or calculation. Yeah, computation questions. That means the question types, no multiple choice, no true and false, only 2 types. Short answers and solutions. Okay, all right. So the midterm, yeah. So then after that, for the homework assignment number 2, I will also use the combination way. So for example, our quiz number 5 equals the homework assignment number 2, part A. Okay? Yeah. In that way, we can do one fewer assignment. So the same assignment, we counted it twice. Yeah. And also another one, because our final exam, I also want to use this way. The quiz number 6, the same as the final exam, part A. So in that way, we can manage to do 6 quizzes in this short semester, but at the same time, we have the long assignments, tests, midterm, and the final in that way. Okay? Yeah. So it looks a little complicated, but you can understand we have to do many assignments in this short semester. All right, so that's the these 2 types of assignments.